Avocado toast with egg recipe, a gourmet delight in just 10 minutes. Avocado toast is the ultimate comfort food that combines simplicity, nutrition, and gourmet appeal. Add a perfectly cooked egg, and you've elevated it to a whole meal brimming with flavor and nourishment. Whether it's breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner, this dish is bound to leave you craving more. Plus, with its quick preparation time, you'll have a delicious, Instagram-worthy plate in under 10 minutes. Let's dive into the details and make this recipe irresistible. Why you'll love this recipe: balanced nutrition, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. This meal fuels your day. Versatility: customize the egg to your liking, fried, poached, or even scrambled. Burst of flavors: the creaminess of avocado, the tang of lemon juice, and a hint of spice from cayenne pepper create an explosion of taste. Prep time, cook time, and serving size. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 5 minutes. Total time, 10 minutes. Servings, 2. Ingredients: here's what you need to whip up this culinary delight. 1 teaspoon butter, 2 eggs, 2 slices multigrain bread, 1 ripe avocado, pitted and peeled, 1 teaspoon lemon juice or, to taste, 1 pinch cayenne pepper, sea salt to taste, ground black pepper to taste. Step-by-step directions. 1. Cook the eggs to perfection. Melt butter in a skillet over medium-low heat. Crack the eggs into the skillet side by side. Let them cook until the whites form a solid base, about 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully flip the eggs without breaking the yolks. Cook for another 2 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired yolk consistency. Want runny yolks for a luscious experience? Stick to 2 minutes. Prefer them firm? Go for the full 5 minutes. 2. Toast the bread. While the eggs cook, pop the slices of multigrain bread into a toaster. Toast them to your preferred level of crunchiness, which usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Prepare the avocado spread. Mash the ripe avocado in a bowl using a fork. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice for a tangy kick and to prevent browning. Sprinkle in a pinch of cayenne pepper for a hint of spice and a touch of sea salt to enhance the flavors. Mix well. 4. Assemble your masterpiece. Spread the creamy avocado mixture generously over the toasted bread slices. Top each toast with a fried egg. Finish with a sprinkle of sea salt and ground black pepper for the final touch. Tips and tricks for the best avocado toast. Perfectly ripe avocado. Gently press the avocado. If it gives slightly under your fingers, it's ripe. Too hard and it's underripe, too mushy and it's overripe. Egg cooking tips. For poached eggs, add a splash of vinegar to simmering water, crack the egg in, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer scrambled eggs, whisk them with a touch of milk or cream for extra fluffiness. Bread choice matters. Multigrain bread is a wholesome choice, but sourdough or rye bread can add a unique flavor twist. Nutrition breakdown per serving. Calories 321. Total fat 23g, 29% DV. Saturated fat 5g, 26% DV. Cholesterol 191 milligrams, 64% DV. Sodium 361 milligrams, 16% DV. Total carbohydrates 21g, 8% DV. Dietary fiber 9g, 31% DV. Protein 12g, 24% DV. Potassium 628 milligrams, 13% DV. This balanced meal ensures you start your day feeling energized and satisfied. Variations to try. Balsamic drizzle. Swap lemon juice for balsamic vinegar for a richer, tangy flavor. Spicy kick. Add sliced jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce for those who love heat. Veggie loaded. Layer on tomato slices, arugula, or sautéed mushrooms for an extra nutritional boost. Cheesy delight. Sprinkle some grated Parmesan or crumbled feta on top for added creaminess. Why this recipe is a must-try. Avocado toast with egg is more than just a recipe. It's a lifestyle choice. Its quick preparation, versatility, and vibrant flavors make it a favorite among foodies. Plus, the combination of carbs, fats, and protein keeps you satiated for hours. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this dish is a breeze to prepare. Impress your loved ones or treat yourself to a restaurant-quality meal at home. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your ripe avocado and get cracking on this irresistible recipe today.